Yeah.
Hi, welcome back to Spencer Colgan as Wallpaper, and I want to show you a nice new tool that we have in order to draw a straight line, especially on those of your first sheets of wallpaper. This tool is a laser level, and it serves a wallpaper hanger very nicely because what it does for the wallpaper hanger is permits the hanger in order to free up his hands to give us a straight line without the need for grabbing a regular level, putting it up against the paper while you're on a ladder or something like that. This affords the paper hanger the opportunity of giving himself or herself more safety while on the ladder. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is a Ryobi all-grip laser level. And like I said, it's a laser, so through this, now we're not going to point it into the camera, but through this will come a red light. And of course, the least amount of light in the room, the better, right? So that you can see the laser. So I'm going to turn it on. What's going to happen so that while you watch it, this laser level is going to wrap itself onto the wall, just like that, by simply pushing the power button. And then it's going to level itself by drawing a straight line as it tightens up against the wall. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So there are two levels. If I want to hold it sideways, I make sure that it's straight. And then if I want to hold it whichever way I want the laser level, I'm going to make sure that I'm attaching it level. And then after it suctions to the wall, it's going to give me a perfectly straight line. Let's see how it goes.
Enciéndelo.
Yeah.
All right. Now.
Okay. Okay, so you can hear it tighten up. Now, my lasers, look at how it just attaches to that wall. And look at how it gives me, that nice straight line on the edge of my wallpaper. Now, isn't that a great tool if you're at home trying to hang a picture, trying to hang your wallpaper, or just trying to do any other application at home whereby you need something to be perfectly straight up and down, which is called plumb, or if you need something to be hung straight like this, which is called level. That's your tool right there, and it's inexpensive. I really don't know how much it is, but I'm told that it costs under $100. It's a Ryobi, and actually, it belongs to my helper. And tomorrow, it will belong to me, because I'm buying it. So I want to see, when I get to the top of the ladder, if my laser line is straight. If my paper is actually straight, which is, we guessed, we made an educated guess, and then throw a laser line on it, but let's see how I do. I'm perfectly satisfied that the line is straight. Now, when I go to cut my next sheet of wallpaper on top of this, are you looking at it? When I go to cut my next sheet of wallpaper, of course I'm going to make sure that my laser throws me a straight line, and then my whole job is a lot easier. Now I have another laser that I can put on a tripod, but that eliminates the bringing the tool out on a tripod and everything else. If you like this video, if you like this tool, let me know what you use at your house or your job. This is Spencer Colgan. Please click on like, subscribe to our channel, and visit us on the web. Thanks for watching. See you on the next